Welcome, in front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Let's start with the navigation of the system. So, to wake up the screen on your watch, you can press any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can do a couple of things. If you want to open the menu, press the back button right here on the left side of the watch. And of course, to scroll through the menu, use the touchscreen. You can scroll up and down. You can also use the up and down buttons right here on the right side to scroll through the menu. To go back through the system, you press the back button, like that. To open, or rather turn off or turn on the screen, you can press the upper button on the left side of the watch. You can also press and hold the middle button to open the workout menu, like this. If you use the up and down buttons on the home screen on the current watch face, it will basically let you scroll through the list of widgets, like that. And if you press and hold the upper button on the left side, it will lock the screen, I believe, the touch screen. You won't be able to use it until you unlock it by pressing and holding the upper button again. And if you press the middle button, it does nothing. So pressing the middle button on the home screen does nothing. In the menu though, it basically confirms the selection. If you want to open the settings, press the lower button on the home screen, or the back button, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here we have the settings. You can look for something you like and then tap on it. And if you want to go back, like I said before, press the back button, like that. On the home screen, you can also open the control menu. So if you're on the current watch face, the home screen, you can open the control or quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. And here we have some shortcuts like alarm, countdown timer, do not disturb mode, airplane mode, flashlight, and you can also add more options, I think. Or no, never mind, all of them are selected, so you can remove options if you uncheck them by tapping on the box and then tapping on save. If you swipe up from the bottom of the screen, it will open the notification panel. And that's about it. If you want to change the watch face, you need to open the menu, of course, tap on settings, find the watch face option, and here you can customize your watch face by selecting the layout, then background, then color theme, and then you can adjust the data you want to see on your watch face. Like this. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. If you want to start the workout, you need to wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the workout menu. And now you can scroll through the list of workouts, find something you like, and then press the middle button to start the workout. To pause the workout, you can press the lower button right here to pause it. To unpause it, you press the middle button. And to end the workout, you pause it, and then press and hold the lower button until the countdown is complete to stop it. Okay. To turn off the watch, you need to open the menu, so press the back button, find the settings, tap on it, then scroll down, find about your watch, tap on it, and here find the turn off option and tap on it. And then press the middle button and the watch will turn off. And if you want to turn it on, press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until you see the Polar logo on the screen, and then wait until the watch is done booting up. What else could there be? Oh, the pairing, or rather syncing with the phone. So if you want to force sync your watch with a phone, you can press and hold the back button, and will force the watch to sync with your phone, if your watch is of course paired with a phone. And if you want to restart the watch, so reset it, you need to open the menu again. Actually, let's stop this. Open the menu by pressing the back button, tap on settings, find the about your watch, and here find the restart option. And then tap on it and confirm by pressing middle button, and the watch will reboot. And I believe that's about all, the basics on how to use the watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.